Returning to the falls, a journey from Mackinac Island to Niagara. After soaking in the timeless charm of Mackinac Island, where life moves at a slower pace, bikes replace cars, and the air carries the scent of fudge and lake breeze, we pack up and begin the next day of our journey. This time, we were heading back into Canada with a familiar destination in mind, Niagara Falls. We have seen the falls once before, but something about them keep calling us back. Maybe it was the raw power of the cascading water, the endless mist rising like smoke, or the way the roar of the falls seems to drown out the rest of the world. Whatever the reason, we couldn't resist a second visit. Niagara isn't just a place you check off a list. It's an experience you return to. Crossing the border into Ontario, we made our way towards St. Catherine, a small city with a quiet charm and a perfect location, just a short drive from the falls. We checked in at St. Catherine's Suite for the night. The hotel offered a comfortable and restful stopover, just what we needed after the day of travel. It felt good to slow down again, enjoy a warm meal, and look ahead to the excitement of tomorrow. Even though we've seen Niagara Falls before, the anticipation still builds as we planned our visit. There's something magnetic about that place. Whether it's your first time or your fifth, it never loses its magic. The next morning, we woke up early, eager to feel the mist on our faces again and stand before one of nature's greatest wonders. Seeing Niagara Falls for the second time was just as breathtaking, maybe even more so. There's something incredible, majestic about watching the endless wall of water crashing down with such force and grace. The mist rises like smoke into the sky, catching the sunlight and painting rainbows in mid-air. Even though we have seen it before, it still felt like the first time. The power of the falls, the roar of the water, it's an experience that never gets old. Niagara Falls has a way of making you feel small in the best possible way, a reminder of nature's raw beauty and strength. Just like our first visit, we couldn't resist taking the boat ride again to get up closer to the falls. As we stood up in ponchos and boarded the boat, the excitement hit us all over again. Moving closer to the Horseshoe Falls, the roar became deafening and the mist turned into downpour. We were completely soaked, laughing and wide-eyed as the boat edged near to the thundering wall of water. Even though we've done it before, the thrill of being that close to such power was just as unforgettable. It's the kind of moment that stays with you, and it makes you fall in love with Niagara Falls all over again.
pleaser.